time is it? Elsa, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. It's morning already? Oh my god. The night went by so fast. I have to get ready for something. I just can't remember what.
Yeah, Elsa, actually you have a barbecue to go to today. Your family's barbecue, right?
Oh yeah. I have to take a shower.
Yeah, Elsa, and I actually have something really cool for you to try today. Are you ready to see it?
Yeah. You always have the coolest things for me to try.
Oh, thank you, Elsa. I'm glad you enjoy them. So let's go to the bathroom. Oh, Elsa, I didn't know you were using the bathroom.
Oh, you guys are here already? Oh, sorry. Excuse me. I'm almost done.
Oh, sorry, Elsa. I'll just cover you.
Excuse me. I really had to go pee. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm ready now.
Don't you need to wash your hands?
Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm still kind of sleeping.
It's okay, Elsa. Elsa needs to get ready for her barbecue today. I thought before she leaves, she would like to try these two things in her shower. And I'm really excited because I think she's gonna love it. So this is Fizzy Tub Colors, and it brings 9 tablets, and they turn the water different colors. So I can't wait to see what colors we can make today. And you can mix different colors to make more colors, like yellow and blue to make green, or blue and red to make purple, or red and yellow to make orange. I think it's a super cool way to learn how to mix colors. So we're gonna try this in her bath today. And this one is called Mystery Bubble Magic Bath Crackles, and it makes the water pop, fizz, and snap. I think it's gonna be really relaxing, Elsa.
Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to try it. I'm ready to get in right now.
Okay, Elsa. Okay, so Elsa is all ready to go. First, we have to fill up the tub.
Oh, that's kind of cold.
Sorry, Elsa. Actually, Elsa, I think you should get out of the tub until we fill it up, and then you get back in, okay?
Okay, fine. That's fine.
Okay, we're gonna keep filling up the tub. Okay, it's almost full. Now we're gonna add our Fizzy Tub Colors. So I was thinking it would be cool to add blue and yellow to make like a greenish color, like a turquoise color, like the color of the ocean. And I think it's gonna be really pretty. So we're gonna open this up. This is what the tablets look like in there. We need a blue and a yellow. So we're gonna put one of these back. Are you excited, Elsa?
I cannot wait. I've been needing a vacation, so I can't wait to feel like I'm in the ocean.
All right, Elsa. So I'm gonna need you to mix it up also, okay?
All right.
We're gonna add the blue tablet and see what happens. Oh my god, that is so cool. Look at that. I don't even think you need to mix it, Elsa. Can you hear it? It's making like a really fizzy sound. Okay, we're gonna mix this one up. Ooh, the water is super blue.
Oh my god, this looks so cool.
And now we're gonna add this yellow tablet that has an A on it. So I am thinking the water will turn greenish. Let's see. Oh my god, it turned really green. It looks so cool, but definitely not like the ocean.
I cannot wait to get in.
We made green water. It's gonna look like I'm swimming in a lake. Before you jump in, I think we should try bath crackles.
Oh yeah, that's gonna feel really good and relaxing.
Yeah, I think so too. This one says it adds crackles to your bath, and you can hear the magical pop and snap. And this is what they look like inside. It looks like candy. Oh, they're already crackling. Listen. Oh god, that is so cool. Let's see how they sound in the water. Oh my goodness.
That is so cool.
Holy moly. Are you ready to get in, Elsa?
Yes, I am. This feels so weird. It feels like I'm in a cooking pan, but the water's not hot. I don't think I will ever take a regular bath again. This is amazing. I mean, listen. Can you guys hear it? The water is green and it's crackling. That is so cool. I hope I don't turn green.
I don't think you'll turn green, Elsa.
I have an idea.
What's that, Elsa?
I think that we should drain this water and do it again with red. and maybe yellow, and we'll make orange water.
Elsa, but aren't you gonna be late for the barbecue?
No, I'm not gonna be late. Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, the tub is full again. This time we're trying the yellow one that has an A on it and the red one that has a C on it. But this red tablet actually looks purple, but it's supposed to be red. We're gonna drop it in the tub and see if it actually looks red. Let's see. I'm so excited. Oh, it actually looks red. Look at that. Oh my goodness, her tub water is turning red. It looks like a beautiful rose color.
I'm so glad we decided to try the red one.
We're gonna add our yellow one and see if it turns orange. The yellow one is in. Let's see if it turns orange or, oh, it is changing color. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. Elsa, do you want to try more Crackles?
Yes, Crackles is one of my favorite parts.
Elsa, Crackles are coming up. It sounds like a frying pan. It's so funny.
Oh my gosh, I am never coming out of here.
Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used Fizzy tub colors or if you want to use it now that you saw this video. Also let me know if you use the Bath Crackles, which really sound like a frying pan. Are you sure you're not getting fried in there?
Oh no, this is amazing. You have no idea.
I'm gonna definitely have to try that myself. But Elsa, you have to get out now because you have to go to your barbecue, okay?
I guess I'll get out. Okay guys, I'm ready to leave for my barbecue. I hope you guys liked trying the Fizzy colors and the Bath Crackles with me. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up.